Link ops can be located in settings inside the Q menu. So if we press Q, go to settings, there's link ops, and by clicking it, it'll bring up a series of banners that by clicking them will take you to various hyperlinks connected to various things in the community, be it a playlist of videos, different people's YouTube channels, even products that are recommended to users that could possibly help them in their experience. But the thing that we'll be focusing on today will be this one, as soon as I get to it. 150 tolerable roughness maps. This was prepared by Travis Davids, who I'll be talking about in the next slide. And by clicking this, it'll take you to an exclusive operative link that'll give you a discount on the product. This link is only valid for the first 100 or so people that use it, so it's definitely a timed offer. However, it's something that I set up in collaboration with them as a promotion for a tool that we made inside of HardOps that actually is enhanced by these particular tolerable roughness maps. And for that note, whenever it comes to HardOps and getting around the community, by clicking the Hops button, there's also a drop down that'll take you to a list of links as well. Clicking these will take you to various places throughout the community that may assist you in your adventures, as well as the Discord group and the Facebook group, which is where we try to keep up with our operatives and connect to them on a daily basis. But just keep in mind that by pressing Q and going to link hops, you can actually just use the arrow keys in order to change the slide and just look at any of the various banners that will take you to various systems that are interconnected throughout the HardOps community.